Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and moving the secret off the device. Create your API key on a secure server or cloud secret store, and enable ProGuard/R8 in Android Studio to shrink and obfuscate code. Once done, remove any keys from Gradle, XML, and strings. XML so they never compile into the APK. Make sure to set up authentication between app and backend. That way, the server mediates key usage, and you avoid leaking credentials directly from the client. You then implement secure retrieval and runtime use. On app launch, authenticate the device or user with your backend, exchange credentials for a short-lived token, and request the API key or signed request only when needed. Use HTTPS with TLS1, 2 or later, and add certificate pinning to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. Make sure to cache only ephemeral tokens in memory and clear them on backgrounding. This reduces exposure and lets you rotate secrets without updating the app. You finalize by hardening distribution and monitoring. Deploy ProGuard/R8 rules, disable debug builds from public release, and enforce backend checks like origin, rate limits, and user scopes. Rotate keys on a schedule and revoke any suspected leaks so damage is limited. If something breaks, check certificate pinning errors first, confirm token lifetimes, and verify backend auth endpoints. Those are the most common culprits. Make sure to test with release builds. Emulators and debug keys can mask real issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.